Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to style D3 labels. D3 methods can add styles to the bar labels. The fill attribute sets the color of the text or text node, and the style method sets CSS rules for them, for styles such as font family or font size. So we want to set the font size of the text elements to 25 pixels and the color of the text to red. Okay, so down here, now I'm going to just pull this guy out so we have some more space to work with. We want to set the font size of the text elements. So my guess is with it here we're defining the text, and so I think we can just go .style font size, and then we want to set this to 25 pixels. So yeah, they're bigger. Congratulations. Okay. The labels should all have a fill color of red. Okay, so we know the style. We can go color and make this one equal to red. Okay, that did not work. Okay, so yeah, I figured it out after a while, but apparently we're just supposed to remember that. I just basically looked up here and found that the ATTR is what we could use. And it looks like we can use that as well. So ATTR, so you can use style for the font size, but you can't use style for the fill. Weird. Anyways, so yeah, that's the way that this one works. I'm not exactly sure why my initial ones weren't passing, but now it looks like it's working. So hope you guys enjoyed this one, and we'll see you in the next lesson.